Okay, here's our 75 911. This car sat for about 14 years, so the whole fuel system was contaminated. So I cleaned the tank, I replaced the fuel injectors, I had the fuel distributor rebuilt, I replaced the warm-up regulator, which is what it really needed. It was stopped up. Of course, fuel filter. Um, I torqued the cylinder heads. I did a leak down check. All of that was good. Basically did the tune up and valve adjustment with new points and plugs. So here we're going to ready to hear the motor run. Ginger, hit it.